This tutorial covers getting the full text of articles in Academic Search complete. Once you have a manageable results list, how do you get the full text of the articles? There are several ways to acquire an article. Take a look through the list and see how many articles have full text already available. Any that has this is easy to get. Just click the link and the article comes right up. HTML full text will have live links in it because of its web-based format, and a PDF like this will look just like the pages in a print journal. HTMLs and PDFs can be downloaded and saved or printed right away, so they can be easiest to use. They can also be emailed to your account or someone else's. Simply click on the title and choose Email on the right. Then put in the relevant information. The entire full text of the article can be emailed, or just the citation if the full text isn't available. If there's an article you want that doesn't have full text available, that is, if it doesn't have an HTML, PDF, or linked full text, we'll have to try a few other steps to get the article. The first of these is the Check for Full Text link. Just like it says, clicking this link will start another application that checks to see if one of our other databases has the article in an online format. Here, you can see that another database has the article at this link. And from there, we can read or save it. Let's try another link from our results list. In this example, there are no online full text holdings. If you get this screen, it means that you'll need to perform a few more steps to get the actual article. The next step is to scan the Get It area to see if the library holds print copies of the journal. In this case, the library does not own the journal in print form. But it's a good idea to check the date of the article to see if it's a date that the library has access to before going to get the article in print. The print periodicals are located on the lower level of the library. If the library doesn't have the article in print form, you can request the article through Interlibrary Loan or ILL. Click on the Request via ILL link and you'll be taken to our ILL system. You'll need to sign in to Interlibrary Loan using your SPU credentials. ILL fills in all the necessary information automatically when you click on the Request via ILL link from the database. Always do a quick double check to make sure that everything looks right, then click on Submit Request at the bottom. It can take up to 2 weeks for an ILL article to arrive, but it usually takes about 1 week or less. You'll get an email with a link that lets you download the actual article. If you need an article sooner, you're welcome to visit the campus of another local library that is part of our Summit borrowing system, such as the University of Washington or Seattle University, and download any articles available there for your research. If you have any questions, follow up with an SPU librarian using the Ask a Librarian feature on the library's homepage. This concludes the Getting Articles tutorial.